Hey, turtle. Hey. Oh, guys. Kada turtle there.
There's a bird over
Oh,
here.
there's also one bird. Turtle, guys. How to say turtle in Italian? Gani, Kara? Kami, Kara. Gani, Kara. Dari Italiano. Ask dari Italiano. How to say iguana in Italian, guys? Here, here. Snake, guys. Oh. Guys.
It's better we go outside on the garage.
Hello, guys. We are here in Manila Zoo. Here, guys. Snake in Italian is?
Serpente.
Yeah, serpente, guys. Sorry, guys. Okay, Kara. Let's go, Kara. Here. Here. What is this? What is this here? Here, guys. Red iguana, guys. Tara, guys. Red iguana. Come here, Kara. Veni, Kara. Dari Italiano. Ask dari Italiano. How to say iguana in Italian, guys? Here, here. Iguana. Kara, vini. Here. We will ask Daddy Italiano, guys, how to say iguana in Italian. How to say iguana in Italian? How to say iguana in Italian?
Iguana.
Iguana or?
Same.
Prima, you said,
Varano.
huh?
Varano.
Varano? Varano, guys, iguana. In Italian. Turtle, guys. There's a turtle here. Daddy Italiano, Vini, Daddy. Italiano.
What's that?
Marco.
Snapping tighter.
Snapping?
Tighter.
Turtle.
Turtle. Oh, turtle, Kara. There, guys. So, how to say, we will ask the Italiano, how to say turtle in Italian?
Tartaruga.
Yes, guys. Tartaruga. Here, guys. So, tartaruga. Kara kit, guys. Oh. Kara kit. Here. Here. Two turtles. Tara, guys. Tartaruga, guys. Dagan kay tao diri, guys. Saba kayo. Saba kayo, guys. Sorry. Dagan kay tao. Dagan kay mga bata, guys. Saba ka kayo, guys. Snake, guys. Oh. Guys. Serpente, guys. In Italian, snake. Serpente. Ito pa, guys. A lot of snake. Ari pa, guys. Dako kayo, guys. Serpente. Oh, guys. Kadagang turtle dari, oh.
There's a bird over
Oh,
here.
there's also one bird. Turtle, guys. How to say turtle in Italian, Gani, Kara?
Tartaruga.
Ha?
Tartaruga.
Ah, yes.
There's also a baby.
Tartaruga daw, guys. Tartaruga lagi ang turtle. Enjoy kes Kara, guys. Tartaruga. Turtle. Nari, guys, na isa, guys, nga naglain. Hey, turtle. Hey. There's a one bird there, guys. Oh, one bird. Nagsagol sa ano, guys? Nagsagol siya sa... Where? Ooh, crocodile. Crocodile, guys. Di maklaro.
It's very big.
Wow. Wow, very big. Big crocodile. How to see crocodile in Italian? Dal Italiano?
Crocodrillo.
Croco?
Coccodrillo.
Coccodrillo. Coccodrillo, guys, in
Questo
Italian.
po ti mangia il dito.
Coccodrillo. Ang crocodile. Hey, guys.
I don't see some crocodile. I don't see some.
There. I think there. Ano, more. Okay. Here, guys. Oh, crocodile. Chiara, how to say crocodile in Italian?
Crocodile.
Coco?
Crocodile.
Ayun, kukodrilo guys. Oh.
Mommy.
Crocodile, kukodrilo.